Label Planet's World of How To presents How to Find Sticky Labels. At Label Planet, we supply a range of sticky labels, from high-tack permanent adhesives to low-tack removable adhesives. There are lots of ways to find the sticky labels you need, including our search bar, to search by product code or search terms. A to Z list, to search for a product range. Label Finder, to search for all of our labels that match your needs. Our website looks slightly different on desktops and mobiles or tablets, but all of our search tools are easy to find. Here's where you can find our search bar, our A to Z list, our Label Finder. Using our search bar, you can search by a specific product code or use general search terms. Product codes have two parts, a label size, like LP21/63, and a material code, like HT. Standard paper labels don't have a material code. Enter your product code or search term. A shortlist of matching products will appear. Select a product from the list, or click on the search button, to view a full list of search results. If your search term matches a product range, you will be taken straight to that page. Our A to Z list includes all of our different types of labels, grouped into categories. Select the category that describes your labels to see all the available options. Click on A4 Labels to see all of our label ranges. Our category pages show the material code, description, adhesive, waterproof status, and printer compatibility for each range. So, if you need sticky labels, you could select our high-tack adhesive labels. Use our Label Finder to choose the specifications that matter most and see all of our products that match. You can search by one or multiple filters at a time. So, if you need sticky labels, you could use the adhesive filter to see all of the options. You could then select our high-tack adhesive and click on View Results, or scroll down to see all of our matching products. How to find other types of labels. Thank you for watching.